Dreams for me are something that have been so fascinating. I have really paid attention to my dreams since I was a little girl, and now our kids pay attention to their dreams, and I have friends who we share each other's dreams. And I feel like our dreams are so significant that once you start to understand your dreams more and process what you're dreaming, the veil becomes very thin between sleep time and wake time, and we can learn how to use our dreams to empower us in our waking life, and we can also learn how to use lucid dreaming to go back into our dream of the nighttime and create the dreams for our daytime. This is kind of a special place in mine that I like to come. It's very private, and often when I've been dreaming the night before, what I've recalled, I come up here with my journal or just my thoughts and, think about what I dreamt, and I use my dream in my subconscious, the subconscious part that I'm waking up to in the wake-up reality, in the daytime reality. And then I try to bring the two pieces together. I think when we practice remembering our dreams and interpreting our dreams, they become like this secret power, this tool that we can have to access so many parts of our life in our waking life that become, it's like living a dream. It's like living in magic. So the reason that I created a dream workshop is because I'm really passionate about it. And I understand that when people start talking about their dreams, you start to remember them more. And it's really about just putting your intention into that. And I've found the dream work so powerful. That's why I wanted to offer it in a workshop.